Yeah, go already.
Ayaw ni Bella.
Ano yan? Sa aso?
Ganto ba? Oo.
Ubul ba?
Para sa ipin ito, di ba?
Tungol ba na? Tungol ba sa aso ba? Treats yan sa tin.
Dila, you want
Bago yan sa kahapon ko ang gibuksan.
You want give to the dog. If want to go. Treats. But later they cannot swallow. They are small.
It's a crunchy one. Crunchy. Bite niya ma. Ano man Oh my gosh. Just break it na.
Yeah. That's why I tell you Sheltie is cute.
I like the black color though.
Ah, you don't like Riot? Riot color nice.
I prefer black.
Ah, okay. You ask auntie if like Sheltie or not. She take her what? April can take her too what?
Very difficult to
This coming Monday we got dog training again. April is handling one of my puppy.
Hi.
Hello.
Can see now the entrance.
Yeah. Yes, guys, dito kami guys sa tabing dagat. Yes, tingnan nyo. Yeah, very beautiful. Yeah, good lah. Today is very good. Sister, you're tired.
Oh my goodness! What's that?
We like our
What is this? Is it National Day? No, not National Day.
na.